Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to make free money on Cash App. So here's the quick tips and guide on how you can easily make free money on Cash App. So one of the free method to make money on Cash App is through a referral program. So you can earn up to $5 to $15 on referral program. So to get this done, open the Cash App, then tap your profile icon at the top right, then tap invite friends, then share your referral link together with the code. Then you both get $5 to $15 when your friends sign up, link a debit card, and send $5 or more on the transaction. And here's other method. You can also earn free money through a Cash App boost. So which means you can save and earn free money. So to do this, tap the Cash App card, then from the card boost to your card, then use it to get discounts at places like MC Donald, Starbucks, grocery stores, and savings for free money in your pocket. And that's it.